Masters in Mass Communication at St. Aloysius College. We offer specialization in print and new media, corporate communication and broadcast media. Admission open for 2 years post-graduation course. Contact
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐನಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಕಿರಣ್ ಶೆಣಾಯ್.
I'm Anjali Rai. Now a look at the headlines. St. Aloysius College conducts an orientation program for the postgraduate students.
ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ನ ಆಮಿಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರ.
And a special feature on mall culture in Mangalore. The orientation program for the new batch of PG students was held at St. Aloysius College on July 18th.
Lutz Swami, HOD of Department of English, welcomed the students. The program was inaugurated by the lighting of the lamp. Principal of St. Aloysius College, Reverend Father Swibert De Silva, encouraged the students to excel in their studies. Rector Reverend Father Joseph Rodriguez, Finance Minister Father Walter Andrade, Principal Reverend Father Swibert De Silva, Registrar Professor Narahari, and HODs from various departments were present. Now let us hear what the first year students expect in this year.
ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ MCMSC ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು AMA ಆ್ಯಂಕರಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಕರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ MCMS ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ.
I feel quite comfortable in this college. The teaching staff and principal, vice principals, all of them very supportive.
I have chosen St. Aloysius College because I want to take journalism as my profession, and I have heard St. Aloysius is providing more practical options, and I just love this all college and beautiful campus.
Proud to say that I'm an Aloysian. I joined this college from first PU. I'm here in this college, and I'm proud to be an Aloysian because this college is 131 years old, and I guess my parents are basically from Aloysius, and this college is has a reputed name all over India, and also you get to see various people over here, and the courses given over here are really good.
ಎಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 7 ದಿನಗಳ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರವನ್ನು ಜುಲೈ 11ರಂದು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಯಿತು.
ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ನ AMIT ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಂಬ ವಿಷಯದ ಕುರಿತಾದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಜುಲೈ 11ರಿಂದ 16ರವರೆಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಫಾದರ್ ಸ್ವೀಬರ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಸಿಲ್ವಾರವರು ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ವಿವಿಧ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಮಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನಪ್ಪ, ಫಿಶರೀಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಟ್, ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯ ವಾಸುದೇವ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಆಶ್ಮಾ ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದರು. 7 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರವನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ನ ಸಂವಹನ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಿಚರ್ಡ್ ರೇಗೋರ್ ಅವರು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
St. Aloysius College, Department of Business Administration at the campus in Biri organized this FDP, Faculty Development Program, for 6 days, and it was a well organized seminar in which people from different parts of India took part. It was a very well conducted, imagined, conceived workshop wherein they gave emphasis to various aspects of research, things like review of literature, conducting data, how to collect data, how to analyze it, how to use computers and softwares for research purpose. This was it was a good idea, and you had resource persons coming from different parts of the state, Bangalore, Manipal and so on, and it was down to earth, I must say. If all the higher education institutions and universities conduct such programs and train their faculty in research, I'm sure there will be a lot of difference in the quality of education we impart and the research we conduct.
ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ವಿರಾಮ.
More campus news after the break.
Masters in Mass Communication at St. Aloysius College. We offer specialization in print and new media, corporate communication and broadcast media. Admission open for 2 years post-graduation course. Contact
Welcome back to Campus Eye. Today, we're having a feature on mall culture in Mangalore.
In the last decade, people visited Saibin complex during special occasions like festivals, Navratri carnivals and shoppings for branded items. Time has changed. Today, we have 4 malls in Mangalore and others are under construction.
How can a mall be developed? What is the mall and how can it be developed? Shopping center without the road, shop on the road, how can it be possible? Nobody was accepting shops on first floor, second floor, third floor. Oh, it was impossible, they were telling. We constructed, we inaugurated, it was a grand success and lakhs of public came on the inauguration. And we had an exhibition of 13 days on the inauguration, and 2 lakhs public visited the complex. But after that, it took long time to occupy. Nobody was confident that shopping mall may be successful. But within 2-3 years, it was full, and public enjoyed. And there was good business in Saibin complex.
Since the malls have all the products under one canopy, a shopper does not have to roam about the city to find his required goods.
Are anchored, then music, movies, toys, stationery, gifts. There is a mix of watches and fragrances as well as to attract the youngsters, we have fashion jewelry.
From shoes to books, clothes, electronic items, accessories and even groceries are available in one juncture. Not only that, malls also provide variety of brands to choose from.
Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen.
All the basic and necessities. You get each and everything, whatever we need for our daily life. That's why most of the people in Mangalore are dependent in malls itself. No need of going to each and every place for a search of each and every commodity. That's why most of the people prefer malls in Mangalore.
Besides shopping, malls have a lot of food outlets. They have chain of restaurants of international brands and also the stalls of chats and juice.
ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷಪಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಐಟಮ್ ಸಿಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.
Some of the malls have the gaming arcade to spend some fun time with friends. A visit to a mall is a complete entertainment experience in itself.
I love mall structures because I can have more fun.
People visit malls on everyday basis. Malls are more than a shopping complex today. It is a complete entertainment package. Because of its so many features, malls attract people of all ages.
Earlier there was no mall culture and many were not coming to the malls. Still we had the public, but now because of the different malls and many malls, the mall culture is developed and all the public now it is coming out for going for the malls, and that way other malls also getting and our malls public is up.
ಇದು ಈ ವಾರದ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಸುದ್ದಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಸುದ್ದಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Masters in Mass Communication at St. Aloysius College. We offer specialization in print and new media, corporate communication and broadcast media. Admission open for 2 years post-graduation course. Contact